Planets are large, spherical celestial bodies that orbit stars. Specifically, in our solar system, planets have these key properties. They orbit the Sun. Planets revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbits due to gravity. They are not massive enough to cause thermonuclear fusion. Unlike stars, planets do not produce energy through nuclear fusion in their cores. They have cleared their orbital neighborhood. A planet's gravity either absorbs or slingshots away celestial objects near its orbit. They have sufficient mass and shape to be rounded by their own gravity. Planets are spherical or nearly spherical. They do not produce their own light. Planets reflect light from a star instead of emitting their own. So, in summary, planets are gravitationally dominant, spherical bodies orbiting stars that do not produce fusion or their own light. The most defining feature of planets is that they orbit a star while not generating fusion energy like a star. Our solar system has 8 recognized planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.